kimchi fried rice, one of the Korean favorites. Every time I go out for Korean food, that's what I order. We're gonna get into the ingredients right now, but if you guys are new to this channel, consider subscribing. Hit that like button if you love fried rice, and let's get right into the ingredients. First thing is our protein. I'm going super decadent with Korean ribs. These are beef ribs I chopped up. Next, of course, you've got your ginger, which I've grated, as well as garlic, which I've crushed up. Then we've got some carrots, which I actually minced up pretty small. I'm using green onions, which I actually separated the white parts from the green parts, and you'll see why later. If you don't have enough green onion, you can use regular yellow onion as well. Then of course we've got our kimchi. I just chopped this up nice and small, as well as Korean chili paste, frozen peas that I'll add in near the end. Some eggs I'm gonna be scrambling, chili flakes, some butter. I'm just using takeout rice, pepper, salt, sesame oil, canola oil. So with that being said, let's jump into the cooking. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is actually cook our eggs. We're just gonna get it to the point where it's scrambled, but not overcooked, and then you're gonna set it to the side. All right, I set those off to the side. Go ahead and clean out your wok. Once it gets up to a nice high heat, you're gonna just oil your pan, throw in your garlic and ginger and saute for a quick 30 seconds. Right when that's done, throw in your ribs and cook that into a nice golden brown, but not quite fully cooked. At this point, you're gonna be adding your carrots and your onions. Maybe add a little bit more oil if it's getting a little bit dry. Salt and pepper, and toss till it's nice and cooked through. Now it's time to make it kimchi fried rice. Add in your kimchi, your Korean chili paste, and stir fry for another 60 seconds. Remember, you have to keep this at a high heat, so make sure your fan is on while you're cooking. Oil the pan a little bit, add your peas in, add your rice, and stir fry for another 60 seconds. Once that's done, you're ready to add the rest of the ingredients. I toss in my butter, I put in the green parts of my green onions with the scrambled eggs, and I toss till everything's done. Ooh, that kimchi fried rice is good to go. It's looking delicious. Wow, look at that. Woo! So we already took some pictures. I'm gonna taste test this. It is perfectly cooked. That fried egg is so important to have on there. I did put some of the leftover green onions, but let's go ahead and taste this. The spiciness from that chili, the sweet savoriness from that Korean barbecue. It is just so perfect. I'm telling you guys, if you guys want a good kimchi fried rice that your family's gonna love, try this recipe. If you wanna check out all my recipes, click or tap the screen right here. If you wanna check out my vlogs where I cook for my family, click or tap the screen right here. Hit like if you love fried rice. Comment below, when are you gonna try this recipe? I really wanna know. Subscribe for more recipes. I love to cook, I know you do too. I hope you love this recipe.